Rory, try and stop that. Get a touch. Get a touch. Blake, be an option. Good job, Leo.
Rory, get going. Come on, Rory, go.
Yeah. Again. Again. Back it. Yeah. Crash. Shot. Through it. Yeah, good job, back it.
Yes, second.
Go back.
Meredith, second ball. Meredith.
Yep. Talk, Maddie, talk.
I got.
Yep.
Matthew,
Turn.
turn.
Blake, run off of her. Get in touch there, Beckett. Oh, I got it.
I know. I heard it. Nice work. Yes, there. Take the line. Peter. Good job, there.
Come on, man. Yep. Turn and see the ball now, girls. Come on, drop in.
Now, when that gets on your feet, take that line. It's slowed out.
What? Do you see one? Blake. Next ball.
Step.
Yep. Maddie, you're on it.
Maddie.
Blake, get up in the box.
Maddie. Opposite. You're telling her opposite side.
Wait. In.
Opposite side, Maddie. Find Rory. Go. Set yourself up then.
Come on, girls, gonna put on it.
Cut in, Rory. Yes. Yes, there.
Cut it, Beckett, cut it. Go, yep.
Go back out. Yes, Rory.
Yep, hit it. Beat her. Yep. Right down, Beckett, beat her down the line. Beckett. Down further. Beat her down top.
Second you, there to second ball. That is you every time.
There you go. Body in, top.
Go back.
Come on, that's fine. Look at me. That.
Yes.
Middle. There, and then take your space.
Yes. Yes.
Hit it.
Run, girls. Hey, we gotta work like that.
Yeah, bring it wide. There, be ready,
Go.
Peter. Yes.
That's okay.
Stars. Yep, Maddie, your throw. Beckett, say.
Yes. Roar. Okay, Rory, look at me. Wait. On those, get in. When there's no angle, you have to lay it back. Second ball, Rory.
Yep, Matt. Yeah, you're on it, Lil. Wait, go to her, maybe get it.
Be hungry. Rory.
There you go, Roar.
Yes.
Oh, good try. Touch. Yeah. There you go. Come on, there. Keep coming. Blake, step in that. Step in that. Good job. Yeah, go. Yep. Crash. Hey. Crash. Beckett's feet right there. Beckett's feet.
Wide mare.
Take your space.
Yeah. You can keep dribbling too. Good throw.
I struck your dribble. I didn't back it.
Beckett, keep going, Beckett.
Rory back.
Rory!
Girls, we gotta stop acting surprised at how far she throws the ball. You play with her, come on.
All right, everybody else. Okay, sorry. Right, left,
Blake.
Oh, come on, B, you gotta get there, B. Yeah, now go, go, keep dribbling.
Do it.
That's okay.
Hit it.
Come on, Dad.
Please keep taking your space. We have space. Take that space.
Maddie, great catch. Stop it. You look at it. Soccer. Not a beauty pageant.
Yeah, remember, you're wide. Avery's target.
Go Ace. Girl, yep.
Go with her. Middle cast.
Okay.
Yeah, play it to her now. Play it to the AC. Hands back close. He said turn.
Turn.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Get the
Yes. Get in there, Ace.
Yes, Avery.
Oh, good job, girls. Good job, girls. We're going down in. Dex, you see how Avery was ready for that to like get it right here? Off the bounce. Switch. Turn it.
Cass,
Play
up.
Cass. Touch and hit, Cass.
Peter.
Cut.
Oh, yes, Cass. Yes, Cass.
Two, you got two. You gotta come back out, play Maddy.
Oh, I'm lucky. Pick that head up.
The other way. It's okay.
Good idea.
So, Matt, you have more time, sweetheart. More time. Take a touch in that direction and get your head up and make a decision. Don't just play that ball, all right? Be a little more confident. Take a touch and think.
Cass, go. Second one, yep.
There, girl. Go! Good take it.
Do a favor for yourself. Look at the corners, not the goal. Here we go. Come on, Cass, be strong over there. Yes, Cass.
Yeah, go, Cass.
Go, Cass.
Go ahead. Take your space. Oh, it's a great
Go, Cass.
ball.
Get it. Go, Cass.
Great lead, Cass, Evie.
Yep.
Win it.
Step over,
Play
turn.
Maddy.
Turn. And now watch. Yep.
Get there.
Okay.
You want to
Not
be
bad,
ready
not
over
bad.
there. Come on,
Hey,
Casey.
Cass. When you run together there, that's where
Hey,
left
hey,
foot
second
step
ball.
over turn. You'll
Here we go. Cass, second
burn
one
that
right here.
girl. Time, Maddy.
Cassie, go!
Yep. Turn. Peter.
Come on, Ev. Hit it, Evie.
Yep. Yep.
Oh my. All right. Crank it on your right, Ev.
Hey, Ed, you have like a half step there near the box and you shoot that sucker. All right. Good job. I like your patience and I like the decision you made. But go for goal.
Take your shot at that one.
Cass, you get the ball.
Cassie, be ready for second ball.
Go Ace. Go, girl.
Yes.
Okay.
Pressure.
Wingers. Are we one? Second ball. Right to
Nope.
Good job, Cass. Here comes Cass.
Turn, Cass.
Turn and go down that corner.
Yeah, beat her. Go. Atta girl, Cass. Atta girl. Yes, Cass.
Somebody hit it.
Hey, Cass. Perfect.
Yes. Hey, second ball now. Hey, look. Right here, Cass, it's yours.
Good pressure, Abe. Good pressure, Abe. Step two.
Go, man. Another touch.
Hit it.
Yes.
Oh.
Maddie, that's exactly it.
Yep. Cass, you're on it.
Keeper. No.
Corner.
Eight, into the goalie. Go into the goalie.
Evie, come out a little bit.
Come out here a little bit.
Just a bit. Keep coming. All right. Now you
Okay,
can,
yeah,
Evie.
go in up.
Evie, go.
See it, Cass. And then boom.
Yes.
Oh, again.
Maddie, keep her.
Good ball. Good, Cass. Go with it. Wow. Get it off. Get it off.
Avery, you want to push.
Hey, pass. When you want to make a pass, tell the person you're going to pass to. They know it's a pass, not a shot, all right?
All right.
Pressure. Stay with him. Come in. Go in. Hit it. Hit it again. Hit it. Ah, come on, quick throw. Aurora. Aurora.
You're okay, Meredith. Heavy girl. There. Yep. Go.
Inside, inside.
Go. Yes. Oh. Just the foot, Roar. Just the foot. There, keep it up.
Hey, really quick pressure here, Ev. Good job, girl. Same as last time.
Go, Abby. Meredith.
Yep, touch. Okay, time. Get away here. Good spot. Turn. Play inside. Yep, play.
There you go. Go in.
Very good.
Abby.
Blakey, ready?
Hit it.
Take it wide, go.
Blake.
Oh,
Good
I'm
Blake,
on
Blake,
the
Blake, Blake, Blake. Good job, Blake. Good job, Blake. Win it.
That's why you won.
Come on, there we go. Fill in. All right, good here.
Hey, Blake, way to get out the team, bro. There, we go. Here we go.
You give us
Guys,
a
play our game. Come on, bro. That's you looking for it. Let's go. Yes, Abby. Yes. Rory, take the middle. Yes. That's good.
Good job, Maddy. Swing it, swing it.
Yes, take the
Hey,
seat.
player. Right. Yep, player.
Cross it there.
Blake, you ready?
Hit it.
Heavy. Meredith second. Maddie, take your
Go,
space.
Matt, take that space. Inside, Roar.
Ball.
Yes, go.
Blake, go to the center. Be ready. Now, hit it.
Turn and hit.
Hit it. Hit it. Get a little crowd in there.
Assist by number 14. Mayor, stay with him, Mayor. Buddy and Matt, good job. You can play Blake. Fine, yep. Ev's higher. Yeah, come on. Wait, get up. Ev, this side too. Yeah, let him go.
Take your seat.
Yeah, Ev. Yeah, good try, it's all right. Stop, stay right there. Blake, drop in a bit.
Aurora.
Off, Blake, off. Drop. Right in there.
Yeah, Blake. There it is, there, middle.
No.
Yes,
Blake, go with her. Tell her you're with her now. Tell her. Play your
All right.
roar.
Eddie. All right, go, get up.
Blake,
Rory,
you
work
ready?
now.
Good job, Ev. Good step, Maddy.
Yeah, good try, you got it? Yep. Down the line. Keep going. One more.
Away, Mayor.
Yep, here we go. Mayor, you're on it. Where's that turnout? Stay there, Blake. Stay here for now. Just wait.
Hang tight, girl. Maddy, this was opposite toe. Opposite toe. Legs go in.
Yeah, you're in now, Blake.
No.
Good,
Breathe,
there.
there it is. Another one there.
Another one there. Hey, maybe a little further out there with two balls. Well, maybe the goalie can get back in.
Hunting for us.
Hey, first goal.
Hey, way to pressure, Ev.
Good crash. There, bring it out towards like the butt stick or the penalty spot, okay?
Instead of rabbit.
Sub.
Go. Daddy. Blake, you good? Blake, you good? You good?
Okay.
Good job. I know. Good job.
Hey, Blake, you hold. A's is gonna go. A's, you see where it's going, so go. Yeah.
In front, pass.
There you go. Now, start good. Bex, your throw, or Millie, or Lily. Lily. Whatever you think names are, I don't know. Let's keep one's coming. Fine. Good. Do it. Cass, take a touch. Kid, take a touch.
Gotta keep your head up.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Outside, Black. There you go. Win it.
Yeah, come here, Cass. It's coming here. It's coming here.
Now,
Good try, Beckett.
keep it wide. Keep it wide.
Blake, turn. You got time. Take your
Get up.
space.
Get up. Down the line. Down the line.
Yeah, play Cass. Good.
Go,
Turn.
Cass.
It's okay. Cass, drop in here. Drop in here.
Cass, turn this way and open this way. We'll have more options.
Yep. So Cass, size number 1, Blake. Wait, you're gonna be Blake. When it comes beyond that, that's when you step up and win. Okay?
Everybody's hot.
Everybody's hot. It's all good. You're good. Play. Score goal and we'll win it out.
Good step, Blake.
Hit it. Blake, get up and get ready.
Hit it again.
Blake, be ready, Blake.
Crash it.
Hey, shoot that thing, girl. Shoot that.
That one's yours, kiddo. Good job, girl. Get going, A's. Cass, second one.
Yeah, Blake, go. Go to goal. Touch. Good try.
I'm
Good try.
ready. Albert now, Cass, work. Good stop.
Again, Lil. Get Cass, be ready. Staying in. Down the line, Beckett.
Do it. Win.
Yes, great job. Dribble.
Keep going, Cass. Blake, it's yours.
I got the ball.
Yeah, you turn, Cass. Turn.
You got space.
Turn. You got time. You got time. Yeah, girl. Oh, good shot. It's fine. Cass, it's fine. Turn and drop in, buddy. Shot for number 1.
Turn.
Blake, more central. Blake, more central.
There you go. Your ball. Good job.
Great job.
Fine. Good. One's coming, Maddy. Got time? We got time. Let Cass wide, or stand wide.
Take it,
Again,
Maddy.
go to goal. Yeah, Cass.
Can't work, Maddy, stay.
Cass, backside. Cass, be backside.
Maddy, you are center mid. Stay central.
Stop, Beckett.
Second.
Play here, play here. Cass, get up, Max. You got it. You got it.
Step back it, Cass.
Yep, you got it, Cass.
And now go.
Oh, yeah. Go, 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 go. I love it, Cass. Maddie, get to the middle.
Yes, Maddie. Get out.
Cut. Play Maddie. Oh, I love
Yes,
it.
Kenzie.
Oh, yeah, Cass. Go down. Good try. Oh, she's got 2 of the 3, Jake. She's got 2 of the 3.
Four. Controls regulation.
Go through, get it.
Yes, Avery. Yes. Nice try. Good try. Good job, Ed.
We got like 4 minutes. Yep, that's okay, Lil. It's all right.
A wild handball call. I haven't seen one of those in forever. Running joke. That Maddie. Go up, go up, go up. Here we go, Cass. Be an option, be an option.
Up. There you go. Hey, Cass is right here. Good. Get a touch, get a touch. Good try.
Here we go, take time. Rest. Deep breath. Oh,
Yeah. You can go. I saw what you were doing. Sorry, man. Take it off. Hey, when Maddie's getting it and forward, keep going up, right up.
Did he take it out?
Whoa! Aurora, line. Go, Peter, Blake, Peter. Get in there. Good ball. Right. There, great pass. Good pass. Blake, great run, kid. Good try. Go, Ed.
Take your space, Blakely. There it is.
Touch. Hey, good try. One more touch to get yourself squared up, and then you can really put all of it behind it. Yeah, go to goal, Ed. Yeah, good.
Blake's yours. Rory, get out.
Good try.
Stick with it. Hey, Blake.
Good crash it. Good try.
Right idea.
Yeah, Blake, you're in. Yeah, touch hit.
Yes.
Good try. Get there, Mare. Come on.
Yes, Mare.
Cutter. Yeah,
Send it.
Again. Play it back. Blake, touch. Again, hit it.
Rory, turn.
Give it to Aurora. Good try.
Step, Lily.
Go, Lil, go. Cutter, Lil, cutter. Good try. Yeah. Half-time, girls, half-time. Come on, Ken, run hard. Yep, body. Cash, just get away, get away, get away. Yeah, come back to it, Abe. Strong, strong. Shot.
Yes.
Oh, get it!
Oh, well done. Good try, good try. Hey, make sure you're calling her off when her back's to the goal and you're facing forward. Yep, right. You found Abe. Yep, good try.
Cass, we need you still. Yeah, take your space.
Yep, turn. Hey, show your feet. Yeah, turn. And now you cut it. Yeah. Yeah, again. Yep. Yep. Another one. Come on, press. You got, bring it down the line, Here. Yeah, go.
Go in.
With it.
Play Avery. Oh.
Who are you giving it to?
Yeah. Take it.
Oh.
Yeah, keep it good. Put it on the spot.
I'm almost two.
Yeah, hey, back up, Cass. Back up.
No doubt about it.
Barry, that hatchet right in the back.
I'm just watching it with the camera.
She was like,
See Cass, I know he's good.
I was like, all right. And then, bam! Now it's that. I was going to say, now you can help. Fired. Yep. Fired her up. That's okay. Yep, we got her. That's all right, Cass, stop and turn. Avery, right in there.
Little Geneva gear in here for you. Yeah.
Step, Eddie, take your space.
Where is he?
Yes, go.
No,
Good switch, Cass.
Yes, Evie, Cass, go with it, Cass. You can still turn it. Yep.
Be an option.
Yes, Evie.
Hey,
Still in it.
Pass it.
Drop it back.
Unlucky. Nice try. Way to look for it,
Good
Evie.
try, girls. Good try.
Watching the highlights? We did. Good. You're doing good. I tried. That's not the greatest quality, but I tried.
Eddie was proud.
Yeah.
Go, Avery.
Even better on the
Touch. Hit it, Maddy.
jumped up by the foot.
You have Cass. You have Cass.
Down playing for like this.
Yes.
Good try, girls.
Why?
Right where you have to be. I know. It's just that's all right, okay. Avery, push. There's no offside on the throw-in. Push.
Turn, Abe. Now get in front of the goal, Abe. Get in front of the goal.
Two, Cassie, two.
Hustle, you got it, Kenzie, one. Kenzie, one.
Good idea.
Get there.
Go ahead, finish it.
Nice try. Get there, Abby. Step that.
Side up side. Lefty, lefty.
Hey, hit that with your left. Go, go.
Cass.
Oh!
Follow.
Everyone was staring at me when I was born. I told them they were all like, if I know Morgan, she did that all on purpose. Hey, take that off. idea. Ready? Toss it around. Gotta step up. That's how Maddy comes. Go wide. Stop.
This guy loves stuff.
Ash, get in front of the ball. Yeah, right there. Right there, Ash. That's a good ball.
Give and take. You put the accent on the wrong syllable on that one.
Take the huggy place.
Come on wide. Yep, turn, Roar, turn.
Other way.
You see Blake and you see Beckett.
One more.
Here we go.
Get back to her. Go, Blake.
So here you go. Blow your throat.
Rory, call for the give and go.
Go in.
Blake, come to her. Blake, come to her. There you go. And now player. Yeah, turn, Roar. Cut. Yeah. Cut. And hit. Yeah. Hey, look at Ashley. Good pass. Maybe. Look at her smiling. Yeah, well done, Ash. Good job, girl. Yeah, back in. Blake, get ready. Good ball. Hit it. Fine. Good job, Maddy. Yeah, Blake. Good job, Ash. Way to get back, Ash. Alright, good run. Ashley plays with such joy on her face. She's always like smiling. I love it. Good job, Ash. Way to jump it. Get in the middle.
Yes.
Yeah, come on, Roar. Touch and hit.
Left. Or use your left. Ready?
Corner. Roar, you're on it. Corner. Oh. Okay, sorry. Oh. Whoa. Down there. Take your space. Blake, go be an option.
Turn it up. You got Maddy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, girl. Good goal. For Maddy.
Great job, Ash. Good hustle over there, girl.
Oh my God. Time. Roar, come wide. Rory wide.
Will, under cover.
Nice man, nice man.
Yeah, that Blake, you got it. Well, fine. Turn, get around her, Blake. Get around her. Yeah, Beckett, play it wide here. Yeah, you got it, Blake. Go wide. Real scissors. Step over turn. Oh, I like it. I like it. Good try. Good try. Hey, that was. Wait. That was up. Good try. Good try. Get it next time. Fine, Aurora, fine. Wait. 4 steps to the right. Central. Stay central. Aurora's got her here. You go to 30. Right there. Talk.
Job, Will. Job, Will. Good, Meg. Ah, Beckett.
You got it,
Job, Willie. Good pressure. Good trap.
Roar, go double, roar, double.
Job, Willie.
Okay, sorry.
Come on, girls, get right back. You got it.
Job, Willie. Turn and go. One more. One touch out.
Run by her. Go. Stay right there. Second, can you get in that hole a little bit more? No, this way.
This way. Yep.
Keep going. Yep, here you go. Lily. Nice. Process. Hey, Blake, get in. She's going to cross it. Marcos.
Pressure back it. Good pressure back it. Talk. Good step back it.
Aurora.
Hit it.
Aurora.
Step back it. Talk.
Maddy have it. Good ball, Maddy.
Nice touch.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Hey, Roar, you gotta be
Back,
ready
tuck
for that
back,
contact,
tuck back.
all right?
Good job, Maddy. Good job, Maddy. Take your space. That's a hand.
Good fight. Yep.
All right, Maddy.
That's right outside the box. Put it on a good piece of grass and back it.
Not in the box.
Handball. Everything works. Wait, look. Go this way.
Look for the corner!
Oh, hustle,
Yes,
Ash.
she
Nice
is.
hustle.
Come on, girl.
Step up, step up.
And that one runner looked like he was shot out of the thing. Wow.
Stop him.
That's good.
Where we going, Cass? Where we going, Cass?
Sometimes it takes her to touch the ball once before she's ready to
Right. Just quickly put a toe on her.
Okay,
Go over. Step is up.
oh, that's right, Abs.
Yes, Maddy. Pass, get going. Nice ball. Here we go, girl. Hey. Ready, go.
Get there.
Check that cleat away. I know, isn't it?
Maddy. Never mind. Okay. Get up. You ready for it? You ready, Eddie? You ready?
Cass, be an option, Cass.
That's all right. Good try. Yeah. Good try, Ace. It's all right. It's all right.
Yeah. Second, if you're ready, let's go. I'm ready whenever. Thank you.
Here you go.
Get it back.
Stop, Lily. Good
Well,
step.
you got time and space. Go, Lil, go. Yeah, Lil. Oh, no, shimmy. Yeah, Lil. Stop there. Let's go.
Good take.
Hey, Blake, go take it. Oh, okay. Hey, remind me when you do that into the screen. Play that ball for us and just play it out and
Not done.
do that.
Let him step to it.
So if they don't have to do it, they can practice on that. I said for numbers, so I'm putting you two in charge of that.
Yeah, step, Spread.
Come on, Edge. Time. You got time, Beckett. Time. Wide now. Yep. Blake, go into number 1.
Yeah, Blake. Oh, yeah. Tim Hardy could have signed his job.
You're all right. We're up.
He never won.
Hey, Blake, be an option.
There you go, Ken. Take a
Look at 8 speed. Yes. Turn it. Yeah, 8. Be ready for that, kid. Come on. Good.
Come on, Cass. job, Maddy. Bring it back.
Gotta go, Beckett. Yeah, Blake, win it.
Good job, Blake. Good step.
Good turn. That's okay. That's all right. That's all right. Drop in. It's okay. Good battle. Good battle.
Second well.
Stop being bigger and stronger. Sorry.
Hey Blake,
Yeah, when you're up 6-0.
your left defense. Get there. Blake,
65.
take it, Maddy, take it.
When I say numbers, I just mean approximate, okay?
Well, I don't press memory.
Mad, one last touch. Back it, girl.
Here we go, Cass. Take your space.
Go, Cass. Cass, come on.
You see
Take
me
it.
with that,
Roll
like,
through it. Oh, right again. Blake, get what?
So you do.
Yeah.
There you go. Right there. Come on.
Beckett, if you need Blake, she's got you. 22.
Right. I think.
Maddy's on. There you go. Turn, Maddy. Yep. And look at Ken. Look at Ken. Yeah, go Ken.
That's the way to alleviate it. Let your strike, right, let your strike stay up, but your wing comes through and spread.
You got it. Turn. Go forward. Go forward. Oh, I like it. Good try. That's fine. That's fine. Here, Blake, you throw it. Blake, you throw it. Ken's that way. Well, bam, Maddy.
Yeah.
Good try, good try, good try. Wait, wait. I like it. I like it. It's okay. Hey, this is not always going to work. It's okay. Try it again.
Don't give up. Keep up.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, that one.
Come on, Abe.
Really? Oh, man.
Yep, turn, Ken.
Both my arm down like a
Yeah, Ken. That's a good ball. Like, run with her a little bit. Be an option.
But you always lay here.
Good try.
Oh, did they?
There you go, girl. You got
Did she?
it.
In Allentown.
We have one more.
In a oh, what was it in York? Oh, really?
I don't think anyone wants to know.
Well, just three. Was it Allentown? Oh, and that's Delta.
You got time, turn.
Take a wall.
Yeah, thanks, Zach.
All we had to do was just play it cool.
All right, pay attention. Out, Cass.
Yes. Belly ball.